Hi, my name is Hao Jiang. Today I'm making a video to show you that I have. This is a Hyundai 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited, a V6, and there's I did the OBD2, and it has the code P0304, and there's another code. It shade that well, I have to unplug it because it's too short. So anyway. The code says number 4, misfire, spark plug number 4, or coil, misfire. And so what happens is that I remove the spark plug, so if you have this kind of issue, I show you how to remove it. Is that this is called the coil, ignition coil. The adapter to the spark plug is ignition coil, and the way that this Hyundai Santa Fe is that the way the ignition, the firing, spark plug firing order is that in the front is 2, 4, 6, and in the back is 1, 3, and 5. So if you have a reading, the code reading that is say number 4, so it's right here. You can tell that there's some oil in it, and I think there's something we don't know what it is, but I'm gonna replace the spark plug to see what happened. But just in case that if you have this same problem, and it's kind of like one of the engine, I think one of the engine have issue with the spark, so you're gonna have some kind of issue that you check engine on, and there's a cold, and then if you don't change it, it's gonna burn a lot of fuel. You have to place it. If you don't replace it, you cannot smoke check. And so anyway, that's what I'm trying to tell you, that it's very easy when you just remove the engine block cover. It has like 6 bolt, 10 millimeter, and then when you remove that, there's if you want to remove this piece right here, is this one to hold on to the number 4. So if you have number 2, you can just remove without having to remove this piece right here, because the coil for number 2 is right here, so you don't need to remove it. But if you have a coil number 4 is right here, you cannot pull it out unless you remove this one. So this one right here have only 3 bolts, so 10 millimeter here and 10 millimeter here and 10 millimeter, only 3 bolts, and then you can remove it, and that will make it easy for you to lift up if you want to remove 2 and 4. So if you have a code reading is 1, 3, and 5, it would be difficult because the spark plug for the rear is in the back there. So then you have to remove a lot of stuff in the back. But in my situation, that is number 4. So yeah, so I just want to show you that, just in case if you have that kind of issue, it's not that hard to do. When I first look at it, I have no idea how to diagnose it. I don't know which one. But when you know the pattern, then you know exactly what spark plug. When the reading is saying number 2, then it's right here, number 4, number 6, and then number 1, 3, and 5. So just want to let you know that I remove the spark plug, and I think that if you, and also that if you replace spark plug, replace the same kind. Don't try to replace different kind. Like let's say if one doesn't work, replace the same brand. Don't replace different kind of spark plug, or don't replace like one really good one, most expensive one that not lifetime warranty. Don't do that, because normally you want to replace all 6 of them normally, because that will help a lot. But in this case, I think is that one is enough. So just if you can find one spark plug like this and replace them, a few dollars, okay. On that, yeah, if you have that kind of issue, it's not that hard to do at all. Just want to let you know that. Okay, have a nice day.